Hey YouTubers, I got a Ryobi 40 volt lawnmower. Had a problem with these switches up here, as many of you know. I replaced them, bypassed it, still having problems later on. So you got 4 screws here, 2 over here, and 2 over here, using this number 20 star wrench. Okay, all you're gonna have to still use this and your the red safety thing, this, so you got some safety. Once these screws are off, just pull this up and go to this thing right here, and then you take it and you just tie them all together like that, and then put it all back together. All you have to do is put your battery and your red safety thing in, and you're good to go.